Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you that will show you how to make a logo for free. So the platform that we're going to be utilizing to make the logo with today is called Canva. And once you've watched this video and you want to go and make your logo, you can access Canva via a link in the description to this video. It's completely free if you use that link and it'll take you straight there. And luckily for us, it's a template-based system, which means that the way it works is that you can basically start from a template and modify that template to suit your needs. Okay, so if you go up the top when you log into Canva and type in logo, then you'll get a bunch of logo templates that you can browse through. Okay, so you can see that there are 61,000 templates here at the moment, so I'm not going to show them all, but you know, the idea is that you browse these templates and find one that you most like the look of, that you want yours to resemble, like this one for example. Once you click on it, you hit customize this template, and then that takes you through to the editor. So this is very simple and straightforward. It's kind of like a mobile app in one way, and you know, everything's kind of self-explanatory. So this text, for example, if you single click it, you've got it selected. You can see that the tools appear at the top here, and if you double select it, you can then type anything that you want into that space then and replace it. You can replace that images. You can bring in other images or change the color of it. As you can see at the moment, it's a gradient from yellow to red. So if you wanted to modify that from yellow to purple or whatever, you can kind of modify it there. And as you can see, it's very, very easy, intuitive to kind of use and, you know, get something quite professional looking out of it quite quickly, really. Logos tend to be formatted as a square. So once you're happy with that and you've got a logo that you like the look of, if you hit the share button in the top right hand corner and then hit download, that will download it as an image as by default, or any of these other file types that you can see on whatever device that you're using to create or to edit on. You can set the size for it there and just hit download, and that'll give you a digital image file of your custom logo. That concludes the video tutorial, and like I said, there's a free version of Canva available as a link in the description for this video. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of that nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you've got any suggestions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you very much.